something must be done because I cannot stand this any longer. It's giving the Liv and Maddie bathroom in the intro. Stop! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon everyone. If you're new here, my name is Danielle and welcome to the vlog. This is day 2 of vacation and today we're actually going to have a vacation instead of just going to my grandma's and then driving for like several more hours to get to the hotel. And we're gonna go to a little campus tour of the college that I'm looking at, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and then we're gonna drive to a different part of the state because we have other things to do this week. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm super excited, especially for the beach. Even though it's cold, it was supposed to be raining, but it's not raining, and it's not gonna rain. I'm super excited. We're going to the beach! Okay, so we are finished with the campus tour and we're at the beach and I'm so excited. I haven't been to the beach in like a long time, so it's kind of cold, so we can't go in the water, but we can look at it. We can walk along the boardwalk. It'll be great. It's like 50 degrees. How cold do you think that water is?
Oh,
probably very freezing. But it looks so pretty. Look at the waves. We're getting ice cream. So we're like driving through the middle of nowhere, right? And we see this sign for a diner. And so we're stopping and eating at the diner because I think diners are cool. Okay everyone, so we have arrived at our next hotel and I'm so tired. What time is it? It's 6:23 and we haven't eaten dinner yet, so we need to get dinner. Let's do a little hotel room tour. 2 beds. We have the television. We have this little table over here. We have a chair. We have a bathroom. And yeah, this bed looks really comfy and I'm just gonna like flop and just sleep for the next 3 days. We have literally spent like 15 hours in the car in the last like 2 days. So I'm kind of sick of the car. Irene, what do you think? Are you done with the car?
Nah, I still like the car.
You still like the car? Okay, all right, it's just me then. Irene, what do you want for dinner?
I don't freaking know.
I'm thinking pizza. I am kind of scared that this elevator is gonna fall. We're gonna get a small cheese pizza to share. Pleasure doing business with you, sir. Sir. Oh, hey. When you straw literally just won't stop floating. Okay. You got vanilla. I got cookies and cream.
Through the song.
Okay, I got cookies and cream. You can try some of mine. Let me clean off your spoon.
I did.
Yeah, I could go for that side.
My lips.
Yours literally just tastes like vanilla anything.
Yours tastes like coffee.
No, it does not. Jiggies, I don't like coffee. If mine tasted like coffee, I'd be repulsed.
It tastes like the smell of coffee.
Why would you say that to me? Now it tastes like coffee.
No, now it's on your head. No, it tastes like cookies and cream.
Tastes like cookies and cream, okay.
Oh wait, I know this. It must not be Oreo cookies and cream. It must be like Chips Ahoy cookies and cream.
I don't know, man. All I know is now it's foul and you ruined my ice cream experience.
I must say, it does have a weird aftertaste. I don't know if it's a spoon.
Why would the spoon have an aftertaste?
Because it's color changing. Who knows?
So the color changes the taste?
No. It's color changing. Who knows what's in it to make it color change? There might be some weird crap on it.
Well, maybe you should have just grabbed the normal white spoon like I did.
Well, you were already walking away, so I was like, oh, and I got the first one I saw.
After this, change into our pajamas and chill. Like, we can watch something and just lay in our bed because
with a cinnamon bun.
we got a cinnamon bun at the restaurant we went to for lunch and all the frosting melted. So we're gonna have to eat a unfrosted cinnamon bun. We have to wait until after we're like, this isn't just been eaten because all that sugar is gonna make us sick.
And then we can start with cotton candy.
I don't actually. I like cotton candy. Never mind. I was gonna say I don't like pink cotton candy. I like blue cotton candy, which is like kind of a travesty because pink is my favorite color. So you'd think I'd like pink cotton candy, but I don't. Something must be done because I cannot stand this any longer. These. There. Now I can get comfy. My mascara is like everywhere. Okay, we'll fix that later. Anyway guys, Irene and I are about to go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so we can hang out every single time I post. And I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year, and I will see you tomorrow.